In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a thank you page on system.io. Start by logging into your system.io account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top menu and click Funnels. This is where you manage the pages and steps inside each funnel, including your thank you page. Next, click on the funnel where you want to add or customize this page. After the funnel opens, look over to the left sidebar where all of your funnel steps are listed. In many standard funnel templates, you will usually already see a page called Thank You Page or Opt-in Thank You Page. It is often placed right below the squeeze page, so that is a good place to look first. When you find that step, click on it to select it. This opens the settings for that page and allows you to choose how it will look. You will then see the available page templates. Take a moment to browse through them and choose one that fits your brand style and the kind of experience you want to give visitors after they complete the previous step. A clean and simple design usually works best here, because the goal of a thank you page is to confirm the action and guide the visitor to the next thing they should do. Once you have picked your template, click Select. After that, click the Edit Page button on the right side. It is marked with the magic wand icon. This will open the drag-and-drop editor, where you can customize the page layout and content. If you are delivering a digital product, free resource, or any downloadable file directly from the thank you page, add a button element from the left panel in the editor. Then click on that button and set its action. You can choose Download File if the visitor should receive a file immediately, or Open URL if you want to send them to another page or resource. This makes the page more useful and helps visitors clearly understand what to do next. When you are done editing, click the Save button in the top right corner. Then use the exit arrow to return to your dashboard. Back in the funnel view, make sure you also click the Save Funnel Steps icon on the right side of the screen. This final save helps secure all of your changes. That covers everything you need to know.